Special Marine Warring while playing EAS 25. You gotta be kidding me. Pause!
Eastern Bay until 4:45 p.m.
Alright, that's WXK97.
43 p.m. 34 knots or greater in small hail.
Damn, HH2.
Radar indicated. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Miles River, Herring Bay, Eastern Bay, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Harper Island, Shady Side, Mayo, and View. Move to safe harbor.
I forgot to turn this on. But like, I'm in the middle of an interview right now in EAFC 25. Come on, please.
Here is the regional weather forecast.